Hello, this is the instructional video for ProjectKey. I'm going to try and keep this as short and sweet as I can. First thing you're going to want to do is download the appropriate version for your system from the website, and if you are on a Mac, then before watching this video please quickly watch the video in the description. It's very short, but there are some specific instructions you need to follow in order to get this working on a Mac. So go do that and then come back to this video. So just open up ProjectKey. The console here won't be here on your version, that's just there for me at the moment. So what you're going to see pop up first is this calibration screen. This is normal. You just need to basically tell the software where everything is. So we'll go into a floor. So in order to calibrate, you make sure you've got your party interface open and your map, and just click the button. Take a couple of seconds, less than that usually, and then this window here will pop up. Your map and your team, so this bit over here with the team names in, are all captured automatically whenever either interface is open. So I can open a door, I'll open the map, and you'll see it'll update on the screen. It's already captured my name because this interface has been opened, so it captures it automatically. There's a small glitch at the moment. The first time you calibrate it, so the first time you use ProjectKey, the names won't show up when I click this button. I'm working on it, but for now just close the program, open it again, and everything should work from now on every time you open it. As soon as we have a fix for that, we'll push it out. So you can see now if I press the button, my name will appear here. I'll show you another feature just so we can see that a little better. If you click on the ghost icon down here, you can change the opacity of the screen. It goes down to about there, which I think was 20%, all the way up to 100%. So you can see now nice and easy that you've got the name there. If you ever need to recalibrate, you can click this button in the corner here. It's the same procedure as before. Just make sure your map and your party interface are open and click the calibrate button. The next button just takes a photo of the screen. There's currently no feedback to tell you the photo has been taken, however, again, this has been being worked on. It was there in one of the beta versions, but unfortunately we had to remove it for now. So you can click on that and it saves a screenshot to the screenshot folder that it created. You can see this, it's in your documents folder, so you can navigate there yourself, or you can click down here and right click on the ProjectKey icon and go open screenshots folder. These two screenshots are always going to be in there. They're for debugging purposes. If you ever have any problems, these two pictures will go a long way to helping us figure out what your problem is. But as you can see, if I click here, that screenshot I just took with the button is saved into that folder. While we're down in the system tray, the other option is a minimize option. So if you click that, the window will disappear, and you can just bring it back up again by clicking open. The final option is exit, but we don't need to do that right now. This button here will resize your window. If you prefer to have a smaller map, you can click that and you get a version roughly 75% the size of the previous one. You can go in between them as much as you like, and the content will persist between the windows. Scaling back up from the small to the large makes the map image a little blurry, but that's only on the last one, so the next time you open your map it will fix itself and you'll have a nice clear image again. This button here just has some paint settings. So you see this number up here, that's the room count. It tells you how many rooms you've currently got open on your map. If you want to turn that off, just click enable/disable room count. The grid lines you can also turn off with this button here, enable/disable grid lines. And you can turn these on and off as much as you like. And again, the settings will persist between windows. So I've just turned the room count off. If I switch to the smaller window, it won't be there. Another thing, if you click here, you click on the icon down here, it opens up our website, so it's a nice easy way to download new versions if you need to. This button in the corner here gives you the option to hide this settings bar. We got a lot of feedback from the betas that not a lot of people liked having this here all the time, so if you click this button it just hides it. You can bring it back again by clicking the button and access anything that you like, just for your convenience if you don't like having it there. This button in the top right corner will close the program, as you would expect. The final feature I'm going to show in this video is the map sharing. I'm not going to show it in action, however, it does work and it works very well. Click this button, you'll get a prompt like you just saw asking if you want to start a new map sharing session. You click yes and you get this window popping up. Now you've got two options here. The first one is you can generate a new session yourself. So you click on the generate button, wait a couple of seconds, and a 4-digit PIN code should appear here. You give this to your friends, other people in your team, and then they can enter that code here and click the join button. That will then join them into your map sharing session, and any maps any of you upload, anytime anyone in the team opens their map, the image will be uploaded to the server and it will be downloaded and displayed on your map straight away. Which brings me to another minor glitch that there is at the moment. There's a small issue with the names not showing correctly. So if you've got someone in your team who's on a Mac and you're on Windows, then the image coming from their machine will display fine for you, but the names might be in a different place if your triangle has moved. Again, this is being worked on and we'll let everybody know with an update notification when there's a fix for that. But for the time being, if you encounter that problem, then simply just open your map to replace it with a system specific image and it will be fine. I think that is about everything that needs to be covered in this video. You can see the full version history on the website on the download page if you're interested in a much more extensive feature list, and there is also the feature list on the main page of the website. Please, if you ever encounter any problems or have any kind of feedback whatsoever, then you can use the contact form on the contact page of the website to submit some feedback or a bug report. Every single piece of feedback, positive or negative, and all bug reports are greatly appreciated. If you like ProjectKey, then you could consider donating. There's a donate button on our website. It does cost us money to run this piece of software. The servers that we use for the map sharing and the website cost us money. We don't expect anybody to donate. We're not going to push anybody for donations either, but if you feel like you're getting something out of the software and you feel like you want to donate, then we really appreciate that. I think that's about it. Just to remind you again, any issues at all, please send a contact form and we will aim to get back to you within 24 hours. Thanks a lot for watching, and I really hope you enjoy the software.